Hi cuties, Winnie here. Welcome to my Draw So Cute summer series. Today we're going to draw the Starbucks Tie Dye Frappuccino to celebrate summer. So let's get started. To draw this cool Frappuccino, we're going to first start by drawing a curve. So this is basically the curve bottom of our whipped cream. So I'm just going to go right across. So curve like that. And then from there we're going to start to draw the whipped cream. So I'm going to come up on this side first. So I'm just going up one mound, and we're going to get smaller as we go up. So one big mound, and then from there I'm going to draw another mound that's all aiming towards the top. And right there I'm going to start to swirl it towards the center. So one big dollop of cream. And then from this side, I'm going to come down with 3 curves. So it's going to be 1, 2, and end it there. 3. So then from there, I'm going to very lightly, let's start from this side, a little bit easier on my hand. Very lightly draw in a line and curve it up. And same thing over here. So let's say start about here and curve it up. There, yummy whipped cream, right? Okay, so then from there, let's draw the lip of our cup. So I'm going to come right here and curve around. So same thing over here. Just curve around, and then we're going to follow that curve we made for the bottom of our whipped cream. So I'm just going to go right across. Oops, I'm getting too close. There. Okay, so I got it in there. Now let's draw the cup. So I'm going to come about right here, come in a little bit on both sides. And now I'm going to just go ahead and draw an angle line all the way down. So I'm going to start slowly. I'm just going to start with one angle, and I'm going to step back and just take a look at my angle. Try my best to match the sides as we go down. So it's all up to you how long, what size drink you want at the Starbucks. That'll determine how long you want to bring this cup down. So I'll just keep bringing it down. And let's see here, we're almost there. Okay, let's say one more. Gonna have a big cup, right? Okay, so about there, I'll start to bring it in. So I'll just round off the end and then go ahead and connect it for the bottom. There. And then I'm gonna very lightly, once again, just draw 2 curves down here. So that it shows like the cups have those ridges. Okay, come in there, soften it up. Okay, so now let's draw the straw, the green straw. So I'm going to stick it right in here. So I'll come about right here and just draw angle line down. I'm going to come right across and draw the same thing on the other side. There. Okay, so now my favorite part, I'm going to draw the Starbucks logo. So because it is a pretty big circle, I'm going to use a circle template just to make it easier on myself. So I'll kind of center my circle right there. And then I'll go ahead and draw my circle. So now that we have the circle in, let's go ahead and draw the mermaid. So I'm going to make her a summer mermaid. And so let's come about right here. And I'm just going to start to draw her face, this area. So let's start with a curve for her face. And then let's see here. So it's really small. So let's say about right here where we give her a center where her hair would part. And about in this area, I'm going to stop because I have a flower to draw. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then let's come to the center once again for her hair will part, and then let's go up for her hair. Okay, so then now let's come in here and bring her to life. So I'm just going to give her right in the center, I'm going to give her some heart glasses because it is summer, right? Heart sunglasses. So just draw 2 hearts in there. And let's give her a smile. And now let's draw her body. So let's come to this about right here in the center. We're going to center her body. And we're going to curve in and dip out. So same thing over here. Dip out. Now that we have that in, now we can go ahead and draw her hair. So I'm going to bring this down. And I'm just going to go ahead and wave it all the way down. So let's finish this part off. And it's going to come out. So delicate here. So wave it all the way down. And then let's add another line here. Her hair, and I'm going to come up here and still give her a crown, just like the Starbucks logo there. And then let's draw her tail. So I'm going to come to the side, and about right here I'm going to follow my circle, and then right here just draw a fish tail. And then let's come in here and we're going to draw some bands. Here's just 3. So same thing over here. So about right here. Once again, follow the curve of your circle. And bands. So about right 1, 2, and 3. And then let's just draw her hands right there, just like the logo. And oh, let's give her a little swimwear because she is ready for summer, right? And a line right there. So there, hope you love my version of the tie-dye frappuccino from Starbucks and it inspires you to give it a try. Thanks so much for watching, and if you loved it, please subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.